Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, I got to 11 subscribers. And actually, if you look at one of my community posts, my goal was to get to 10 on the end of November. But we did it really early. And in one of my videos that's called Please Don't Get to 100 Subs, it was you should, if you haven't watched that, you should check that out. Sorry guys. Actually, I'm sick. I have pneumonia right now. Anyways, I, it was like basically about um, like I'll jump like a certain amount of height depending on how much subscribers I got. And I got 11, but one of them in the video said 10 subscribers, not jump. So we're gonna do that. It was jumping off a bed. So I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. And you guys might be ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and you guys might be wondering why I thought, please don't get subs. Because I just jump off the whole staircase. Anyways,